We got the spring deals at the Costco. Yes, a lot of tools, a lot of equipment, OPE equipment and sheds and all that. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can make better review of videos. You guys will miss any of the latest and greatest deals. And also, don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. All right, let's go ahead and get started. You got several different deals here. $4.99, guys. This is $100 off on this mower. This is one of the top of the line that they have. This was an 80-volt unit Pro from the Greenworks. This is 21-inch mower, self-propelled. All the bells and whistles. Those come with batteries, but I believe a 4 and a 6. $199 down from $249 for that blower. That is a really good deal on the blower. Same thing with this chainsaw, is down to $319. Does come with a really nice case. 18-inch chainsaw, 80 volts with case from $399. And it does come with a 4 amp hour battery, 75-minute charger, and all the bells and whistles on this chainsaw. All right, we got this string trimmer. This one's 1.2 kilometers or miles. Yeah, 1.2 miles, I guess they advertise. Anyway, 17-inch string trimmer with the 2 amp hour battery, 2 amp charger. All right, they got this pull pruner and handsaw for $59 down from $69.99. Not too bad if you guys like doing it manually. There you go. If you don't like the pull saws, and if you guys want to grow some grass, $42.99. It's on sale. Same thing with this Scott's Easy Seed, $54.99. And then you got this nozzles. That's the 3-piece, $19.99. That's actually not bad for, if you go to Home Depot or Lowe's, that's how much one of these is. So that's a pretty good deal for 3. And check out this retractable reel. This one's really nice. I really like the color. They blend everything cramped into there. Very confined space there. Space saving back actually. And then check out this beast here. This is a really nice shed. You can almost live on this thing. Rent it out. What? $1,000 a month. Especially if you're in Cali, right? That's $2,000 a month. So you can get your money's worth in a month. So $14.99. Just throw some AC on this thing and you're good to go. Sliding door, barn door style. And then it does have some metal framing inside. So that's really nice. Nice and strong. Alright, here's a smaller one. If you guys want to, get the $299 a month special on that rent. This one's pretty nice. It does have a nice storage rack there on the top, like a little table. And then this one is a little bit cheaper. This one's outdoor. So yeah, that one's a little bit cheaper. And then they got this decking tiles. However, it is black here. We're here in Phoenix. This thing's gonna get really, really hot because it's black. But check out this hose. This is a really nice contractor's hose, 100 feet, $27.99. This is actually a pretty good deal. I compare this to other from Home Depot and Lowe's, and yeah, this is one's really good deal. Plus, you're getting all metal ends on it. You got a hideaway hose here. Not too bad for people that don't want to see the hose. You got $79.99. And check this out, guys. For all the camping sites, kitchen kit. Does include even some utensils, some knives, cutting board, and all that stuff. So that's $49.99 for this pouch with everything in there. Then they got this triple nozzle, rotating water blaster, they call it. $19.99. It's nice for washing the car, and if you guys got taller trucks, you guys are able to reach up there. And fan spray, jet spray, and soaker. So, all right. So for you guys camping and on the job site, you want to wash your hands, I should get one of these. $189. Yeah, I wash my hands all the time. I handle a lot of chemicals, a lot of materials like that. All right, so you got $3.99 for this Husqvarna. Now this one's new. It's actually, I haven't seen this before. I've seen a similar one, but not this one. This one's 208cc CR950. That's what the model number. That's what the box looks like. Pretty nice. All right, so you guys want an electric one. I seen this one before, actually. My cousin does have one of these. He loves it. Husqvarna 2300 psi electric powered pressure washer, 239. So not too bad. And then check this out. This one's the deal of the day, basically. Get the Furman generator. This one's on sale, guys. This is a killer deal on this one. I know they do have the sale once or twice, actually more than twice a year. But still, it's a really good deal for this one. I personally do have not this one, but the smaller one, and it works really well. You got the propane. It is a dual fuel, so it is propane and gas. And then you got the connectors there, the 30 amp connector. And if you want to pair another generator, you got the connectors right there. And then you got your standard AC 20 volt or 120 volt connector, 20 amp. Then you got a nice fuel tank there on the top. And it is down to $5.99, guys. $200 off on this bad boy. Definitely worth it. Definitely worth it. Especially because, you know, that propane is much cleaner. It burns cleaner. And you're not going to get as much as the gas and power. But, you know, just to have the worry-free gas, that just makes it really good. And this one's a tri-fuel, guys. This one's $8.99. They usually have on sale on this one, but this one's open frame, so it might be a little louder. The other one's going to be a more quiet generator. All right, they got this one, $69.99. I do have this one. It works pretty good. You got $89.99, $20 off. But check this out. You got a nice work light here from Coda. This is a power and USB ports, 9,000 lumen for this beast. That's an example. And then you can charge your devices as well. You can charge your cell phone or charge your batteries, your power tool batteries, because it does have those outlets. It's like a pass-through outlet, $49.99. Does have the switch there, and then another on and off. And then those are the pass-through outlets, including a USB Type-C and USB Type-A. And then they check out this one. They have this inflator, it's a S100 inflator. Very, very compact. Even if you're taking them, take to your bike roads and bike rides, it's very compact. You can fit this in a small backpack. Yeah, pretty nice. Digital. You got the jump starter from Michelin. It's 500 amp. So this one's gonna be for the smaller engines. I don't think this is gonna be for the bigger ones. You got the first alert on sale, $54.99 for this smoke and carbon monoxide alarms for the house. And if you guys don't know what the star means on the tags, that means this item is going away. It's a seasonal item, so that's what that means. It's $15 off and it's going away. Usually these are the clearance items that they mark at the Costco's. Guys, they got a big sale on the Kirkland Signature Full Synthetic. They got different weights, not necessarily that one, but they do have different ones. Make sure you guys hit your Costco's and get those deals on that. I ended up picking myself a few boxes on these, stocking out for the year, since I do have multiple trucks and they are work trucks. Project Farm does have a great comparison video. Big shout out to Project Farm for doing that video. But yeah, that oil is pretty good. $159 for the ladder. It's 18 foot in reach. You got this power station and jump starter for $99.99. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.